Okay, now let's proceed.
This figure can explain briefly about parabola. V is vertex, F is the focus, and D is the directrix. A here is the distance between directrix and also the vertex, while this 2A here is the distance between directrix and focus. This 2A is the distance between directrix and also the focus. The coordinate of vertex is 0, 0. P is x, y. The coordinate for focus, A and 0. Why the y is 0? Because it lies on x-axis. The coordinate for directrix is x equal to negative A. This is because the positions of the point directrix is the distance between this and this is equal PD equal to FP.
So now, let me show you the examples of graph of parabolas when the coordinate of V is 0, 0. Okay, the first example is y squared equals to 4ax. As you can see, the curve is open to the right side and it lies on the x-axis. For the next graph, as you can see, y squared equals to negative 4ax. You can see the curve is open to the left side and the coordinates of A is negative. For the next graph, you can see x squared equals to 4ay. The curve is open to the upside, and the coordinates of A is a positive. And the curve lies on the y-axis. The last graph is x squared equals to negative 4ay. As you can see, the curve is open to the downwards, and the coordinates of A is negative. As you can see, all the point of F is inside the curve.
Okay, let's together make the equation of example 4 in chapter 4, page 163. Here, we want to determine the focus, directrix, and vertex. The equation is x squared equal to 8y. First of all, we must know which one of the graph we want to use. First of all, we have to choose the graph from here. The best graph that you can describe this equation is this. X squared equal to 4ay. Here, I'll write to you. First of all, we put this equation to this equation. In this situation of equation, we have to find the A. Here, we can... Okay, first, the equation, we have to use this equation of the graph. We have to find A, and we have to compare 4A and the X. Okay, how to find A is 4A is equals to 8. A is equals to 2. Now, we get A. Is equal to this graph. Open up graph. We have 3 lines in here, which is, this is directive, and this is focus. Here is the vertex. The vertex is 0, 0. So, by here, we know that y of the directrix is y equals to negative 2. While the focus in here is equals to 0a, which means 0, 2. The axis of symmetry is y-axis, and the parabola is open. Maybe all of you want to know why is y is equals to negative 2. This is because directive is opposite of the focus point. When it's opposite and the vertex 0, 0, so which means D will be y equals to negative a as mentioned before. So y is negative 2. First of all, in this question, B, we have to arrange the equation first. Y squared is equals to negative 4x. I hope you all can understand why this happened. By this equation, we know that this equation use this graph type, which is y squared is equal to negative 4ax. Here, we can put y squared is equal to negative 4ax. Now, what we want to do is to compare. Compare about this and this. So, negative 4a is equals to negative 4, which means a is 1. let we draw the axis first. Y and X axis. And you can draw the curve, as you know that this curve is left open. So we can draw left open, and we can just put first the line, his focus and the directrix. And the vertex is 0, 0. Why the vertex is 0 and the equation is like this? We know that the graph will be like this, which vertex is 0, 0. So now we have find A. So what's the focus? So the focus for this equation is negative A, 0. Okay, now let me find the focus and directrix. Focus formula in this graph is negative A, 0, and the directrix is equals to X equal to A. So you can figure out, right? What is the number of focus and what is the answer of the directrix? So now focus is negative 1 and 0, while the directrix is X equal to 1.
Okay, for question A, focus have given 0 and negative 3 over 2. We know this is equal to A. From this, we need to find out which focus point that have 0 and negative A. So between these four, this one is the correct. So we need to use this formula for this question, and we need to write back x squared equal to negative 4ay. This is 0 and negative a. So we need to put a only into this and ignore the negative, because this is exactly the equation for focus 0 and negative a. So x squared equal to negative 6y. So this is the equation of parabola for question A. Okay. For the next question, directrix has x-intercept equal to 5. From this, we need to find directrix have x-intercept and a and positive value. Between these two graphs, for this one, directrix have x-intercept and the value is negative, so we need to cancel out this one, and we need to move to other graph. Directrix have x-intercept and it have positive value. So we need to put this equation into here. Y squared equal to negative 4ax, and 5 is value for a. So y squared equal to negative 4 times 5x equal to negative 20x. So this is the correct equation for parabola for this question.
Okay, so now I am going to explain to you about the graph of parabola with vertex at H and K. So as you can see, so now we are going to focus this graph. So as you can see, this curve is open to the right side because of it, and the vertex is moved to the right side. So when you want to find the focus, you have H. You have to add H with A. Okay, while when you want to find the directrix line, you have to minus H with A so that you can find the directrix line.
Next, I will show you how to find the equation of the parabola and how to sketch the graph. The questions give us the vertex and the point of the focus. So as we know that vertex is H and K, and while the focus is 1 over 2 and negative 5. So the first thing first you need to do, you need to sketch the graph first, this coordinate like this, x-axis and y-axis. So you need to plot this point in your graph. So like this is 5 over 2, 2.5, okay, 2.5, and this is negative 5. So this is for the vertex and this is for the focus. Okay, so next you need just draw like this. I already draw it. So this is the graph where it is open at right. Okay, and so next what you need to do is we have to find what is the A. What is the A here? So if you want, as we know that this, the distance between this is A, and we now need to find what is the directrix point. So here we can see that if we want to find the A, if you want to find the directrix, we use this. Okay, so now we need to find the A. Okay, the A. What is the A? So first, as we know this, focus. This is 1/2 is equal to H plus A. H plus A is equal to 1/2. So here we can see we can find the A from this simultaneous, right? So you need to just put this H negative 5/2 plus A equal to 1/2, so we can get A is equal to 3. So now we know that the distance between here is 3, and so when this is equal to 3, so the distance between the directrix and also the V vertex is also equal to 3. So just here. So now this is the directrix. So we know that this is the directrix. Okay, so here, and as we know we can get now A is equal to 3, right? So how we want to find the equation from this graph is, first we can use this here, since this, so just take it like this, y equal to minus 2, k equal to 4a, x minus h. So you just put what is the k, so the k is 5, negative 5, so y negative 5, 2. So the a is 3 and x we don't know, okay, and we need to find, and h is plus 5/2. So just calculate it, and y plus 5, then you get 8, 12, x plus 5/2. So this is the equation for the graph that we have done. So that's
Okay,
all.
I will give an example for question about ellipse. L-L-I-P-S-E. Okay, first ellipse divide by 2, horizontal and vertical. So for this question, we need to find center. Foci is plural for focus, and vertices. First, from this question, we didn't know if it ellipse for horizontal or vertical. So from this question, we know denominator for x square is greater than y square. So this is a parallel to the x-axis, mean horizontal. Okay, first we need to find center. Center we can find from equation h and k. Center equal to hk, and this question means x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1, and with center equal to h and k. So this this one means x minus h, so x minus 2 equal to x minus h, so h equal to 2. Okay, good. Okay, next question. For next to find k. Okay, y minus k equal to y plus 3. So as the answer is not positive 3, but we need to look into this equation first. Okay, y minus equal to y minus negative 3. So y minus k equal to negative 3. Yay, again. Okay, you write again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's find c first. Okay, a square equal to b square plus c square. So c square equal to a square minus b square. So from this we know a equal to 9 and b equal to 4. So this is a square and this is b square. So we just need to put into this equation. So c square equal to 9 minus 4. C equal to 5. Okay. Okay. And we need to put this foci equal to h plus minus c k. So foci is, as we know, h
h equal to 2. Before this, we take from this equation. So 2 plus sub 5, k equal to negative 3. This one, and h 2 minus sub 5 and negative 3. Okay, so we finish for sides. Okay, vertices equal to h plus minus a k. Okay, we already know the value of h from the other equation, and we already know the a and k, so we just put it. So h, we know the value for h equal to 2 and plus a. This is a square, so a, this is a 9 equal to a square, so a equal to plus minus 3. So 5 negative 3 and negative 1 negative 3. Okay, so we done.